안녕하세요. 저는 에스타예요. Both of my parents are Nigerian. 근데 한국 사람이에요. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Look at this photo. So I went to my aunt's house all the way in Korea to try her amazing food. I'm joking. Obviously, I'm Nigerian, but I went to Korea this summer to immerse myself in the culture with a homestay program, which is why I call her my aunt.
Womp womp womp. Yes.
In this video, I'll be showing you everything I eat in my aunt's house. 가자. Good morning. On a regular school morning, I wake up at 8 o'clock to have breakfast with my family. For today, we had cheese porridge, toast, watermelon. I'm not quite sure how she made the porridge, but I'm pretty sure it's a combination of cheese, milk, and butter.
I'm gonna try this. I've never tried it before. It looks like porridge. Have you tried it before?
One perk about being in a homestay family is that I get 2 meals a day. Wait, that sounds like nothing, but it is a lot.
Something that's different here is that in my family we don't eat breakfast, but we eat breakfast every day here. So.
Harmony and Hapaji's house, and we'll be eating jjajangmyeon. 예, 시작하겠습니다.
아빠 저기서 먹자.
우리 먹자.
아빠가 사셨어요. 네. 저희 아이워리 페이, but he paid.
감사합니다.
이거는 Esther.
오, 맛있겠다.
볶음밥. 맞아.
Wow.
Every time.
We ordered this 5 minutes ago and it came.
이쪽에. 괜찮아?
Fried rice and 이거 뭐야? 짬뽕
국물.
and jjajangmyeon sauce.
아니 그거 짜장면 소스 맞아. 그래서 이거 풀. 여기 이렇게 쿠폰.
I wanna try that one.
그래.
만두.
군만두.
콘만두. 반찬.
Bread rich. Jellyfish.
You're probably wondering right now, what is jampong? What is jjajangmyeon? What is fried rice? Well, let me break it down for you. This rich dark sauce is chongjang, a fermented black bean paste that is stir-fried with pork, onions, zucchini, and potatoes, and it creates this rich, savory taste with a hint of sweetness. This is paired up with noodles that are long and chewy, and if you're wondering the taste, it's not spicy or overwhelming. It is silky, soft, and it has this robust flavor.
이거는 옛날 짜장면이거든.
My imu told me that the way we eat jjajangmyeon is by pouring the sauce on top of the noodles. One of the perks of being with my aunt is having family time together and chatting it up while eating good food. After pouring, we mix it all up together, and it's so good. Oh my god. I'm waiting for you to take a bite. Oh, that's weird.
It's good.
Now that's real jjajangmyeon. Yeah. That's so good.
My father's favorite food. Every time. Seems like it.
He orders it all the time.
Every time I ask him, why don't we eat other food? Then he said, 짜장면.
I'm tired, but we're gonna eat hwache. Let's go. Forgot the ingredients. Yes. Strawberry. 이모, 이거 다 뭐예요?
그거 밀키스.
밀키스. 밀키스.
스프라이트 with
Milk. Sprite with milk. Some jellies in here.
It's fun. Just joking, you know. Is this enough? It smells.
This is hwache, a Korean fruit punch that is made with fruits and milkis.
이거는 참외는 you don't need to dissolve, just to use the.
There's some book. This is sweet rice cake and some blueberries. So nice. I'm feeling dehydrated, so I'm gonna eat some hot chicken. The taste is fresh, but not too sugary. The fruits add a natural flavor to it.
Now this is life.
So how much was it? That one box.
It was 21, 23,
20 something because I paid 17.
Are you crazy?
Is that expensive?
Too expensive.
That's not expensive. Watermelon cost like 16 pounds.
The watermelon is crispy and juicy. This is perfect for hot summer days in Korea. And the summers in Korea are super hot, so everyone is drinking this.
맛있네. 괜찮네.
It was good.
La Moule Art Fair. This is pretty. What is it?
오르골인데요. 이건 대화고요. 이거는 와우. 이렇게.
Oh.
예쁘죠?
Over there, right?
내게 한 가지 소원을 묻는다면 사랑이란 것을
To experience traditional Korean dishes, my imu took us here.
멀리 날아
Everyday same menu. 이거? 나는 이거.
Okay.
처럼 느껴진 나이 세상이 무지
I know we're getting lunch. I don't know what I ordered, but it has fish. Fish with butter. Fish with butter.
We were served with room temperature barley tea. This is served at a lot of restaurants.
It's like an old Korean house and then they turned it into a restaurant. It's really, really nice. This was like the bedroom, the living room, and then the kitchen is like over there. And then there's another room over there. Just super cute.
어떻게? Then we really scared. 짱이고요. 어디세요? 가자 여기요. 네. 맛있게 드세요.
Now I love me some fish.
I ordered fish that was grilled in butter. It came with a side of rice and banchan. Banchan had seaweed, rice cake, potatoes, and a bunch of other dishes to the side that were literally so delicious.
잘 먹겠습니다.
The fish honestly just melts in your mouth and leaves this everlasting, yummy flavor. Going to experience a traditional Korean restaurant is ideal for the Korean travel experience.
마마 오늘은 어땠어요?
네, 오늘은 저도 힘듭니다.
Anyways, we're back home.
For dinner, we were served seaweed that was stir-fried in sesame oil.
That's a lot.
We had pap on the side. I'm not quite sure what this dish is, but I know it has squid and some sort of meat. I'm not quite sure, probably pork, but it tasted so good.
Eat more. 여기 더 take more. 김치 더 줄까? 오이김치? 김치. 오이김치?
Then we were served with a side of oi kimchi.
Maybe 이제 장모 수업, 작은 모음 수업의 경우에는
Today, my Korean home, my imu made us a simple yet flavorful dish called Korean fried rice. It's also known as bokumbap.
Fried rice.
It's made up of carrots and spring onions that are finely chopped that are then tossed into the pan, which is then fried with rice and all these vegetables. The fried egg is also added. The flavors are spicy, savory, tangy, and it's just absolutely delicious for a quick meal on the go.
What is imu cooking? 이거 다 뭐예요?
숲 아니고 그냥 이걸 뭐라 그러지? 막바랄.
Imu is preparing food. Oh, it looks so good.
This dish is normally known as sam. It's normally eaten with beef or pork, which is then called samgyeopsal. But today we'll be eating it with fish, which is a little different. We had a side of kimchi jjigae, sauce, and lettuce.
I look good. There's jellyfish in it. There's jellyfish? I don't know how we're supposed to eat this big chunk of it. It breaks? Look, I can't even without it breaking.
break.
많이 먹어. 많이 먹어.
She's obsessed. And this is wasabi.
The way to eat this dish is by getting the lettuce and dressing it with different sorts of banchan and then adding your protein on top with rice and gochujang. Then you wrap it all up, then take a big bite all at once, and it's so good.
Spontaneous.
Wasabi. Go ahead. Just a little bit. Is it worse than wasabi? It's not spicy. I just want to let her eat it. She'll be okay.
should be.
봤어? Nothing. Nothing?
No.
You don't feel it in your nose? But I like wasabi.
My imu and Samcheon really wanted me to try this spicy sauce. I thought it wasn't that spicy, but to them it was super spicy. I think my spice tolerance is pretty high. Yeah. After every meal, we talk about our day with each other.
Sorry. What are you doing on top of that knob? We don't cut this at all. No.
What? Can you do it?
Yes. We're just a clump. Oh, really? That was how my brain.
It's on the saddest.
Wumpy wumpy wump. Wumpy wumpy wump. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Let's sing with us. Do this. Womp womp womp. Womp womp womp. Yes. Womp 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 womp.
To make kimbap, we had a couple guests over.
Things to make kimbap, to roll it all up. I like how we each have our own rice.
Our little station.
Yeah. Super cute.
First, we put down our seaweed and then our rice.
Do you want me to put for you? Thank you, yes.
Oh, it's not supposed to be flat?
I'm already messing this up.
However, to make the rice, we need
vinegar and
Sesame oil.
and sesame.
After laying down the rice, I add spam, radish, spinach, carrots, eggs, and then we roll it up.
It looks good! Wow! Good job!
It was my turn to roll the kimbap, and I was a bit scared.
Scared. Okay. I use this. Okay. Like this.
Yes.
And then.
Now hold it. Scared. Just hold the roll.
Okay.
It's scaring me. Yes. Yeah. I can feel it. I can feel it. I think it's okay. Oh, that's it. Yay. Okay. And
That was a practice one. That one doesn't count. Hot way.
The results.
It's kind of like a.
이거 이게 예쁘네. The color is